For centuries, researchers have been sharing their work in specialized journals. These journals have collected the last discoveries provided by the scientific community around the world in each field. All the scientists of the field assessed the quality of the submissions before publication by the so-called peer review. This has been the method in which science has spread. Journals' issues have been released on a regular basis with compilations of peer-reviewed papers and sent to interested subscribers. But this system has become obsolete with the growth of the Internet. Digital journals are mimicking the same processes printed journals were using centuries ago, although the access to scientific knowledge could be much faster and cheaper. Nowadays, access to papers is really expensive both for readers and authors. Furthermore, scientific publication and peer reviewing is as slow as it was before the Internet era. So we wonder, what if science distribution could be free? Nor authors nor reviewers make money from it, so why should publishers do? What if we had a faster peer review process? How could we give journals and author warranties about the maximum review time? What if reviewers were reviewed? How can we give value to good reviews and avoid the immunity to critique of non-fair anonymous reviews? And what if all those things helped authors and journals to produce free and open science? We want to explore these ideas using the tools of tomorrow for today's science. We are building
decentralized science.